education grant.
Meghalaya State Planning Board kalapan pau ya kajing Sngewkhia halor ka Jingpoi ka Pule Puthi ka Jyll syaka Kyrdan ka bahat raidu katkum ka Education Ministry's Performance Grading Index arajar arpaway arpawar u chairman ka board ba met ba lingdo ilaong ba kajing her ha ka Pule Puthi kajing apher giturop nong hikai bat kajing don ya sanpau nyau na ka shispa ki nong hikai ki bampat yo jing hikai ki dei ki daw ki ba kongsan ulaong ba kajing tmu jong ka sarkar ban shimti ki school kabu jing henry ula pdiang pat igi jing ai jing mud halor ka Meghalaya education grant da ka ba ong ba kalong ka ba idon jingkermen bat ka ban kenthop lang yeki kam jing ki nong don benta baro.
When we talk about welfare of the teachers, in return, the beneficiaries of those welfare of the teachers will be the students. That is what we have to look at. As of now, we do have around, I think, 57% us informed untrained teachers. So that's also one of the reasons why the performance of our state is very, very low. Now, we learn today also more things about the other aspects as far as the number of schools, number of teachers, number of students. We are the highest in the Northeast.